You probably already know that Google traffic has tanked, and ranking first on the results page is nearly impossible in 2025. So what do you do? Today, I'm walking you through how to use Pinterest for website traffic, probably the most underutilized search engine available, and honestly, it's way easier and more effective than you think. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I share weekly tutorials to help you grow without overwhelm. And today, we're talking about how to use Pinterest for website traffic. So whether you have a blog, a static website, or a sales page, this tutorial is for you. Here's what we'll cover. First, and most important, is Pinterest the right solution for you? Next, how to set up and optimize your Pinterest profile for maximum visibility. Then, the best method for keyword research so your content actually gets found. And finally, the tools I recommend to streamline and automate the entire process. So if your goal is to increase website traffic with Pinterest this year, you're in the right place. Why Pinterest is the right solution in 2025. Pinterest is the third largest search engine in the world, right behind Google and YouTube. And unlike other social media where posts disappear in 24 hours, Pinterest is designed for evergreen content, meaning a single well-optimized pin can send traffic to your site for months or years. So is Pinterest right for you? If you've got a blog or website, especially one with at least 10 distinct URLs like articles, product pages, or landing pages, then Pinterest is the perfect platform to use. And the reason is simple. You can rotate which links you promote. So instead of publishing one blog post and hoping Google ranks it, you can keep creating fresh pins that point back to that same post, giving it repeated chances to get seen. And if you don't have 10 URLs yet, that's okay. Even a static site with a homepage, an about page, a shop, and a couple of service pages can be stretched further by creating a few supporting blog posts. These could answer common questions in your niche, share tutorials, or highlight how a product or service solves a problem. The more URLs you have, the more opportunities you have to cycle through them, giving Pinterest new ways to show your content to more people. So how do we optimize Pinterest? In order to get your content seen, you need to be telling Pinterest what your content is about. The way you do this is through strategic keywords. This is not the place to get clever with names. If you're a food blogger, you don't want boards called Yum Yum or Oops, I Did It Again desserts. That doesn't tell Pinterest or your audience what the content is about. Instead, your goal is clarity. You want to use keywords that describe exactly what you're sharing. That way, Pinterest knows who to show it to and your audience instantly understands what they're clicking on. Make sense? Where should you put these keywords? Here are some of the places that matter. You'll want to put keywords in your profile name and bio, in your board names and board descriptions, in your pin titles and pin descriptions, and even the text on your pin images. The key is to keep it relevant though. If you keyword stuff or use the wrong phrases, Pinterest may show your pins to the wrong people. And when those people don't click, your reach actually drops. So think accuracy first. The more clear you are, the better Pinterest can match your content to the right audience. So how do you actually find these keywords? It's easier than you think. Just go to the Pinterest search bar and start typing in a phrase that describes your content. Go slowly and you'll see Pinterest starts to autocomplete with suggestions. Those autocomplete phrases are the exact words real people are searching for. That's gold. Scroll through them and take note of the ones that fit your product or niche. Those will be your keywords. Those are the phrases you'll want to sprinkle naturally into your titles, descriptions, and even on the pin image itself. The more clear you are with these keywords, the better Pinterest can match those pins to the right audience, which will bring more traffic back to your site. And if you want to dive deeper into keyword research, we have an entire video on it and I'll link it in the description below. Tools and automation. So now that you understand keywords, the next step is creating pins that convert and doing it in a way that doesn't eat up hours of your time. We recommend a tool called Pin Generator. It automatically scans your website, whether that's a blog post, a shop page, or your homepage, and pulls in the titles, descriptions, images, metadata, links, all of it. From there, it drops everything into customizable templates so you can quickly create ready to publish pins. It's that simple. You can also tweak the templates to match your brand colors and overall vibe so everything stays consistent. And if you already have Canva templates you love, you don't have to start over. You can import them directly into Pin Generator and still take advantage of all the AI features like auto-generating fresh titles, descriptions, and images, and the advanced scheduling tool too. That way, you're building on designs that you already like while keeping the process fast and scalable. So once you've set up your branding preferences, it's as simple as entering in your URL and letting Pin Generator scan it and create the pins for you in minutes. With its built-in scheduling, you can keep the pins going out consistently too. Not only will this save you time, but it will also build your credibility with Pinterest and get your content in front of more people. We've had creators tell us that they've tripled their impressions and reached 2 million, 4 million, even 10 million monthly viewers using this workflow. So if you've been looking for a way to speed up the process, this is the easiest way to do it. And you can try it for free at pingenerator.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. So that's everything I'd recommend if you're trying to figure out how to use Pinterest for website traffic or increase traffic to your blog or shop in 2025. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the future tutorials. I share weekly Pinterest marketing videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'm Max, and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.